this video I'm going to show you how to create a natural looking sculpted nail using Lexy and Jimmy Gel from Elegance. So I've applied my sculpting form and I'm just cleansing with Elegance Pro Cleanser, and then I'm applying a layer of tack to the surface of the nail before curing for 30 seconds in the LED dot lamp. Make sure you really work this product into the nail. This is Elegance's optimal power tool with regards to lifting issues and things like that. You won't get them if you use tack. Next, I'm taking my Bling Oval number 4 brush and I'm going to apply a thin layer of Lexy natural fibre and just sculpt out my extension edge. So I've just applied it to the tip of my natural nail, and now I'm just teasing the product down over the sculpting form. Once I'm happy with the length and the shape, I will cure this for 60 seconds in my LED dot lamp. Once that's cured, I'm now going in with a layer of Elegance Jimmy Gel over the entire surface of this nail. So doing the Jimmy Shimmy, really work this product onto the tack. And bring it down over the extension edge that we've just created. Now I'm going to start building some structure by applying a dollop of Jimmy Gel and working this down over the nail in a smile line down the vertical spine of my nail to bring it forward down over the top of that sculpted area, and then cure this for 60 seconds in the LED dot lamp. Remove my sculpting form and then go back in, apply another thin slip layer of Jimmy Gel, because now I want to build this structure and make sure that this is going to be really strong. Now a second dollop. See how I'm stringing it down the length of that nail, keeping the bulk of the product in the vertical centre of my nail. Jimmy Gel will self-level beautifully, cure for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and finish file and perfect the shape. You don't need to do a lot of this with Jimmy Gel. So I'm using the 180 grit side of my Lexy file. And once I'm happy with my perimeter and my shape, I will then perfect it with my Elegance foamy file. Dust away any excess dust so that you can see what you're doing, and then just perfect everything with the foamy. After this, I will cleanse the nail, remove any traces of dust. And I like to apply a second thin coat of Jimmy Gel over the entire surface again. I feel this just gives me a little bit more strength. This is optional, you don't have to do this step. You could also sculpt out the tip with just Jimmy Gel as well instead of the fibre. I want to create a natural extension, so I'm using natural fibre. Cure the Jimmy Gel, and then we can finish with a layer of super shiny and cure for 60 seconds in the LED dot. I'm using super shiny because I don't want the Jimmy gel to pick up any coloration stains. Once that's cured, I'm going to remove my inhibition layer with Light Elegance Pro Cleanser, apply a dot of Light Elegance cuticle oil and massage in. And I think you'll agree, a really natural looking nail. Thanks for watching, guys.